अच्छा, अभी फर्स्ट वीडियो में हमने क्या देखा था, ट्रांसफार्मर के बारे में. व्हाट द ट्रांसफार्मर इज डूइंग, ट्रांसफार्मर विल increase the voltage or decrease the voltage. The transformer which increases the alternating voltage is called as step up, and the transformer which decreases the voltage is called as step down transformer. This transformer works on the principle of mutual induction. Then we have seen that for step up transformer, primary will be having less number of turns of the coil than the secondary will have more number of turns of the coil than the primary. Now when alternating current is given to the primary, how it works? As soon as the alternating current is given to the primary, in the primary there is magnetic flux change, there is a change in the magnetic flux, and when there is a change in the magnetic flux, this magnetic flux which is changing because of alternating current, it is linked with the secondary. So in the secondary, what will happen? There is again magnetic flux linked with the secondary will vary the, and because of that EMF is induced. So EMF is induced in the secondary because of the primary alternating voltage. So this, in this way, in the step of transformer we have seen that if EP, first we will see that there is a alternating voltage is given. So because of this, EMF induced in the primary is given by EP is equal to minus of NP d phi by dt, and because of this primary voltage, EMF, what will happen? Secondary will be, in the secondary EMF is induced. This secondary EMF is called as EF is equal to minus ns into d phi by dt. Dividing this equation 2 by 1, we will get ES by EP is equal to minus of ns by np. Ns indicates number of turns in the secondary, np indicates number of turns in the primary, and d phi by dt will get cancelled. So minus n will get cancelled. So ES divided by EP is equal to ns by np. So this equation we have seen in the first video. में हमने इतना यहाँ derive कर लिया था. अभी now we'll consider for the ideal transformer. We'll consider for what? Ideal transformer. Now what is this ideal transformer? For ideal transformer, we have to understand that voltage across primary is equal to voltage across secondary. Okay, means for ideal transformer, what we will consider, this VP is equal to EMF induced in the primary. VP is equal to EP, and similarly VS is equal to ES. VS in this indicates what? Voltage across secondary is equal to EMF across secondary. So this, from this, what we consider, when VP is equal to EP and VS is equal to ES. So equation 3, what the equation 3 will become? In place of ES, what I can write here? VS. In place of EP, what I can write here? VP. VS by VP is equal to NS by NP. So this is the condition which we have to understand for the VS by VP. VS means voltage across secondary divided by voltage across primary is equal to number of turns of the secondary divided by number of turns of the primary. So if we say further that IP is the current through the primary and IS is the current through the secondary. If I say that IP is the current through the primary and IS is the current through the secondary, then for ideal voltage, what the ideal voltage says? Ideal voltage says that input power is equal to output power. Input power is equal to output power. So input power is given by VP IP is equal to VS IS. Okay, VP IP is equal to VS IS. ये क्या है? पावर के लिए फॉर्मूला. पावर is given by what? VP into IP. What is VP into IP indicates? Voltage across primary. IP indicates current across primary. VS is voltage across secondary. and current across secondary. So this can be simplified as Vs by Vp, okay, is equal to Ip by Is. So this we will give it as equation number 5. So from equation 4 and 5, if we compare equation 4 and 5, so equation 4 is what? Vs by Vp. Equation 5 is what? Vs by Vp. Here Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np. Vs by Vp is here is equal to Ip by Is. So if we compare this from equation 4 and 5, from equation 4 and 5, what we'll write now? We can write this as Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np is equal to Ip by Is. So this will become what? This, from comparing equation 4 and 5, what will write? Vs by Vp is equal to Ns by Np is equal to Ip by Is. Means Vs indicates voltage across the secondary, Vp indicates voltage across the primary. Similarly, Ns indicates number of turns of the secondary divided by number of turns of the primary is equal to current in the primary divided by current in the secondary. तो ये हुआ इक्वेशन किसके लिए? आइडियल ट्रांसफार्मर के लिए. सो if I say that Ns is greater than Np, अभी कंडीशन क्या है? नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स ऑफ द सेकेंडरी इज ग्रेटर देन नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स ऑफ द प्राइमरी, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज ए स्टेप अप. इसको कौन सा ट्रांसफार्मर कहेंगे? स्टेप अप ट्रांसफार्मर कहेंगे. और व्हेन इट इज ए स्टेप अप, देन voltage across secondary is greater than voltage across primary, and current across primary is greater than current across secondary. ये किसके लिए कंडीशन है? स्टेप अप ट्रांसफार्मर के लिए. ओके. एंड सिमिलरली फॉर स्टेप डाउन, for step down transformer, what we have to consider? That Np, number of primary, is greater than number of secondary. मतलब प्राइमरी कॉइल में नंबर ऑफ टर्न ज़्यादा रहते हैं सेकेंडरी कॉइल से. तो Np इज ग्रेटर देन Ns, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज द स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफर. एंड इन द स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट voltage across secondary is less than voltage across primary. Similarly, current across primary is less than the current across secondary. तो इस तरह से इतना हमको मालूम रहना चाहिए किसके लिए? स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर. ओके. इन स्टेप डाउन ट्रांसफार्मर, प्राइमरी कॉइल विल बी हैविंग मोर नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स देन द सेकेंडरी कॉइल. एनी डाउट इन दिस? क्लियर हो गया? तो इस तरह से हमने क्या किया? हमने अभी ट्रांसफार्मर के बारे में देख लिया, आइडियल ट्रांसफार्मर के बारे में देखा. अब नेक्स्ट इज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द ट्रांसफार्मर. नाउ व्हाट इज द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द ट्रांसफार्मर? एफिशिएंसी इज डिनोटेड बाय ईटा. तो एफिशिएंसी इज डिनोटेड बाय आउटपुट पावर बाय इनपुट पावर. आउटपुट पावर डिवाइडेड बाय इनपुट पावर. ये किसके बारे में है? efficiency of the transformer. And for an ideal transformer, efficiency is equal to 1. That is, for ideal transformer, efficiency is 100%. So efficiency निकालते समय में हमको देखना है कि आउटपुट पावर डिवाइडेड बाय इनपुट पावर. ये किसके बारे में है? आइडियल ट्रांसफार्मर. आइडियल ट्रांसफार्मर की क्या एफिशिएंसी कितना होता है? 1 है. मतलब एफिशिएंसी इज 100%. सो आइडियल ट्रांसफार्मर किसे कहते हैं? इट इज़ द ट्रांसफार्मर इन विच द आउटपुट पावर इज इक्वल टू द इनपुट पावर. जितना हम इनपुट देंगे उतना ही हमको आउटपुट मिलेगा. तो ये कंप्लीट हुआ अपना पूरा ट्रांसफार्मर के बारे में. अभी नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है एनर्जी लॉस इन द ट्रांसफार्मर. वो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे. तो ये इसमें पूरा हमने ट्रांसफार्मर स्टेप अप और स्टेप डाउन के बारे में देख लिया और आइडियल ट्रांसफार्मर के बारे में देख लिया. नेक्स्ट इसमें हमने एनर्जी लॉस इन द ट्रांसफार्मर हम देखेंगे.